And number 2, and you should know number 2 was gonna be this baby. I had to bring you ladies another video like this. The last video I did, you ladies told me that you absolutely love when I can put multiple units in one video because you get to see more options in one video. So I was like, I have to do it again. I already planned to do it again, but here we go. So today's video is going to be consistent of synthetic bobs that I reviewed. Before we get too deep, if you are new to the channel or if you haven't done so, make sure you click on that pretty red subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, because I dibbles and I dabbles, make sure you turn on that notification bell, girl. Don't be the one to miss out on all the stuff and be like, wait, how come I didn't see that? Because you ain't turn that bell on. So turn it on, okay? Now, today's video, I'm going to be doing part 1. I am going to do this video a little bit different from the last video. The last video I did with the Kinky straight units, I only listed 10 of the Kinky straight units that I've reviewed, and I basically gave you my top favorite, like my top 10. This time, I'm going to be running through all of the synthetic bobs that I reviewed on my channel, and I'm going to break them up into categories and kind of give you my rating from bottom to top. So that's what we're doing. Today's category is going to be the textured synthetic bobs, and then in a part 2, I'm going to have 2 different other categories that you ladies are going to want to absolutely see as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I categorized 6 units that I reviewed in this category. So the one that's ranking at the bottom and number 6 is Sensational True Diva. Now, I know some of y'all know True Diva, some of y'all loved True Diva, and some of you didn't love True Diva. And I have seen some other people watch my video and comment like, girl, I didn't have the issues you had. Now, the True Diva that I had in a specialty color, and it was a true mess, okay? The unit was supposed to be given like just like these natural, realistic vibes. It was supposed to be looking like we got some natural hair, we probably got a little blowout, and it's just out, bumped, and flowing, right? That's the vibe we're supposed to be getting, but this hair was nothing but a stiff, thick mess. It looked like it had split ends, and your girl was not a fan of it. I don't know if you ever remember that video, but True Diva was a true mess. I did not like it. But I will say the color was cute. The color was cute on True Diva. It was definitely real pretty. I would probably try that color on a different unit, but True Diva is a true mess, okay? Now, let's move into number 5. So, Sensational Boss Babe, okay? This was way back when I first started reviewing units. I think I reviewed this maybe 2 years ago with Boss Babe. Okay, so Boss Babe had a side part. She was definitely thick. She had a kinky texture. She was a little bit on the coarser side of things. So, you know, you like the kinky straight is kind of soft. She was the kinky straight kind of coarse, like thick, okay? It did have a little mild bump at the end. When I say mild, it was very mild. So it kind of gave off like those straighter ends type of vibes. I remember that. And so it kind of gave you more of a relaxed type look. Not relaxed like a relaxer. Relaxed like I'm chilling. Now, she is homegirl, meaning like she's cute. You could dress her down, dress her up, just wear her casually or something like that. Like, she is cute. But because I know I have some better options, she's probably not something that I personally would purchase again unless I'm absolutely looking for that specific look. Before we jump into the other 4 units, ladies, do remember that all of these units I will have linked in the description box. It'll be one link and it'll take you to all of these units so you can shop directly off of my Amazon storefront. Do keep in mind, I am an Amazon affiliate, so when you do shop using my link that's in the description box, it'll help your girl out with a little bit of something so I can continue to make videos like this and continue to buy more units. You know what I'm saying? You get me? I got you. Let's keep it going. So let's jump into number 4. Ultra Annie. Now, Annie is a lace front wig, so she has just a little middle part. If I remember right, she was a little bit shorter in the back, longer towards the front. She had a very blunt cut, a mild bump, easy. She was very easy because she was a lace front wig with just that middle part, and she had a kinky texture that definitely showed through, and she, like I said, very easy, a true meaning of a throw on and go unit. Now Annie, I do like me some Annie. Annie was really pretty to me. I know when I reviewed it, I was saying like, I liked it, I like this wig, and there were other people who wasn't a real fan of Annie, but I assumed that they had more expectations for Annie than it gave. But I didn't see a problem with it. I felt like she was just a simple classic cut bob, you know, like that, get a little crinkle. She was soft to the touch, and despite what it looks like in my video, y'all, she did lay flat. I just had some big bulky braids up under there, so if you see something that look like a little heart, that's my cornrows. But Annie was really easy, and she was pretty. She definitely gets the job done. If you just need a bob, you need something to throw on, boom, that's it. The reason why she's ranking for it is because there are some other ones that I like a little bit better. So let's go ahead and jump into number 3. So the next one is Outre Danita. Now this is from their Perfect Hairline collection. So this one is a 13x6. So you get some parting options, y'all. You get a little bit of parting options up in that 13x6 area. And she has a mild swoop. I remember on the stock card when this unit was like freshly new, everyone was loving what it looked like on the stock card, because I think the stock card was kind of giving like some swoops, you know, a little swoop action. And then when we were getting it, you know, when we were doing our reviews, we was like, where is the swoop? You know what I'm saying? I'll say this though, the stock card definitely presented more swoops than she actually gave. That's why I said she got some mild swoops, but I'm okay with the mild swoops. I think she was okay. She was pretty. So like Annie was more just like, with Danita is but you get a little swoop, the hair flows and flips a little bit. So you get a little bit more of a style with Danita than you do with Annie. She was a soft, light, kinky texture, and I do like the color that I got her in. I wish that I actually spent more time with her. I think I might have just reviewed her, wore her once for that review, and just straight up gotten rid of her during the wig sale, because girl, I be racking up wigs and it be time to get rid of these wigs. Like, I got one head. How many wigs can I wear at once? Like, how many really? Let's jump into number 2. And number 2, and you should know number 2 was gonna be this baby. So number 2 is Izzy. This is about the 3rd video I talked about Izzy. So Isabella from Outre. This is from their Melted Hairline collection. I talked about her in the initial review for it. I talked about her in my last video with the kinky straight texture units. And now I'm talking about her again in the textured bob units. Isabella is a real pretty wig, okay? So first of all, like I said, she's from the Melted Hairline collection, so she definitely serves you a nice little pre-plucked hairline. She is a shorter neck type of bob, so she's not too long, not 12 inches, so she's kind of manageable, more on the shorter side of things. She has a soft, light, kinky texture, which is really soft, by the way, okay? I wore that wig a whole lot. She doesn't get too tangly. She is synthetic, and I wore it so much, so there was times I had to restore it, but I wore her out. She has a middle part. She's mad easy, and she's simple. I think what I loved most about Isabella, even though she's just a classic simple bob, is you did get that natural hairline. She is easy because she has the middle part. The color choice that I gave it more pop than just a regular natural black color. And the cut was perfect. Like, she was just my everyday go-to unit for a very long time. So if you did not get your hands on Izzy, what is you waiting for? That's all I want to say. Now, before we jump into number 1, I know somebody's going to ask me about this little bun on my head. So this bun, y'all, is a ponytail that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm going to put all of the details in the video over here on the white side so you can see it. I will also link this in the description box. So if you are interested in purchasing this, you definitely can. It definitely gives natural girl vibes, y'all, but I've been wearing it in this bun because it's just real convenient and it's hot outside. But it's a really cute ponytail. I am relaxed, and as you can see, it still looks natural girl. So if you're a natural girl, relaxed girl, I think it's definitely going to work for you. So I just wanted to put it out there just in case somebody asks. It's already put out there for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into my top and my number 1 favorite textured bob wig that is super duper underrated, and I don't hear enough people talking about. Like, she just is a problem or something, but she ain't a problem for me. She a problem for the streets, because she is mad cute. And this one is Outre Miranda, okay? Now Miranda is from the Melted Hairline collection, and she is just giving everything. So let me go ahead and give you the scoop on Miranda really quick, okay? So Miranda has a side part. She has a little swoop action kind of bang. She's a nice short length, so you don't got to worry about the people who don't want the hair up on them. She is mad easy. She has this super light kinky texture, and she's just giving with that bang, hunty. Like, she is just giving everything. I like the size that Miranda's giving. I like that she's short, not up on your neck too much, because you know some people like real long hair. Sometimes we get the shorter hair. Some people might consider it boring. I don't think it's boring. I like short hair. Okay, the shorter better. But anyways, Miranda, the color choice that I bought her in, beautiful. And then the little side part with the swoop action, that little bang, is definitely what's giving us like the perfect style. She's super easy. She is great for them throw and go. I said throw and go. Throw on and go kind of days, but she's just so pretty. Like, she's sassy. Like, who don't want a little sass in a class? You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I got interrupted by my husband, so I don't know where I left off, but I believe I was saying Miranda's a little bit of everything in a bag of little potato chips. Yeah, she is. I definitely love me some Miranda. And I know some people's like, what? You put Miranda before Isabella? Yes, I did, honey. I did. Because like I said, Isabella, she is it. But Miranda gave that extra sass with a little side part and a little swoop. Once you get a little swoop and a little side part, everything changes. And she's mad soft, y'all. She was it. Miranda's it. I love how I look with like a little swoop, little action, because I feel like it just kind of pizzazzes up your look a little bit. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with the middle part and the classy little bob, but that little swap, it make it look a little more feminine, a little more girly. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So your girl done messed up and I done forgot a unit. I don't know how I could possibly forget this unit, because this one right here has been the logo on my channel for a very long time. I'm sure y'all probably seen it, okay? Now, this one has a deep part lace. This is Janet Collection Tessa. She has a simple middle part just like Annie. The texture shows through. She's mid-length. She's simply beautiful, and she's mad easy, y'all. Now, I'll put this one right in between Annie and Danita. She's above Annie and she's right under Danita, and that is because I feel like the clean cutness of it is a little bit more like put together than Annie, and I like the cut of it. It's nice and clean, okay? And then as far as Danita, she's still giving us more options, more style, more flips and stuff, but I think this unit is bad too. That's why she was my logo. But let's go ahead and finish the video. So anyways, that is it for this video. I think this one is going to be short and sweet. I don't know how long I've been chatting, child. I'm trying to see. 13 minutes ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. But you definitely have to stay tuned for part 2 and part 3. Dang, I definitely said it was going to be 2 parts. It's going to be 3 parts, because I reviewed a lot of bobs on this channel, a whole lot of bobs. So the next video is going to be part 2, which is going to feature 2 categories, and then the last video is going to feature 1 category. So that's how that's going to go. But again, like I said, the link for all of these units mentioned plus this little ponytail will be linked in the description box below. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up. Wrap it up. Yeah, wrap it up, girl. So you go ahead and start part 2. I'm gonna start part 2 right now. I'll see you in another video now. Holla. Bye.